Hello friends, my name is Vivaan and I created this Trundle Wheel by using the help of simple power sheet kit. I made this Trundle Wheel in RFL Ahmedabad. The components I used for this are wheel and axle, gears, study beans and many more. Now let me show you how it works. The Trundle Wheel has a scale on the top, so I can know how much centimeters it has made, and I measured some of the stuff like scale, marker duster, study bean, door width, laptop and many more. And now I'll show you a demo with 3 things. I'll first show you the ruler. It is 35 centimeters. Now I'll show you the marker duster. It is approximately 20 centimeters. Now let me show you the study beam. It is 15 centimeters. Thank you.